Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S25 so you'll know what's inside of the box. Here's the box and let's open it. And at first we see the phone. It looks really pretty, it has a really good color, but underneath the phone there's nothing else. But on the top lid we have this little box. I think something has fallen out. It was supposed to be in this little box, and these are some warranty cards or whatever, but in this box we also get a few other things like the SIM card tray opener, something else with warranties, the quick start guide, and there should also be a cable which I think I've lost. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.